Where are we?
Sa Nakpan Beach.
Yep, dito kami ngayon. Sa Nakpan Beach. Kasi maganda daw yung beachfront dito.
Saan tayo
buhangin.
Pero ako din tao.
Oo na, kasi nga malaik.
Maganda.
Pero maganda nga. Init. Dito kami ngayon sa Afro. Sa Nakpan. Kasi parang ang pula na ng mukha.
Hindi tayo namin.
Ay. Sabi mo sa yung Nakpan Beach experience. Okay.
Di ba yun?
Hindi siya nakarelax. It's a scam. Kaya nga eh, sana nag-island tour na lang tayo.
Inumin mo ba?
Sige, inumin na lang natin ang init eh. In-skip namin yung island tour sea. Kasi sabi namin, beach lang din naman yun. Kakapagod mag-island hopping. Gusto namin parang relaxing day na lang. Punta kami dito sa Nakpan Beach. Hindi naman siya kakarelax. Ang init. Tapos nito kami sa Angkla. Parang per day tour. Pwede ka mag-swimming sa pool. Tapos mabayad ka 1,000 per box. So, makonsume mo naman. Pero parang okay yun na yun. So, balik na kami sa town proper. Swimming na kami sa hotel. Magka-cafe. And kapamassage. Para relax. So, research time and resources. It's expectation versus reality, no? We're back at the hotel. Pagkatapos ng aming Angkla adventure.
Super relax.
Super relax. Yeah, magsiswimming na kami dun sa pool sa taas.
Yeah, parang ma-unrelax kami.
Let's go.
Grabe na.
Hello. So this is our last night here at El Nido. Papamassage lang kami and magdi-dinner sa town. So ito ang aking OOTD for tonight. And this is Vincent's OOTD. Busy yung person. But, yep. We're wearing white and brown for tonight. Let's go. Relaxing. It's gonna be a relaxing next papamassage tayo. Hello. Ayan o, bukas pa. Ay, tayo lang mo. Cute. You are the apple. You are the apple of my eye. Relaxing. Relaxing. kami ngayon ng mga audio messages na nakuha namin sa wedding from voice tapes. Let's go!
Go, go, go!
Go, go! So, meron tayong total of 42 messages. Asa na yung mga iba naming guest, ha? Ang dami naming guest. Meron kaming 182. Bakit 42 lang yung nag-message dito? Char.
Busy sa ibang kumain.
Busy kumain. Nag-picture ng mobile bar. Okay. So, anyways. Sana.
Excuse me.
Congratulations after the video today. What's your name? What's your name? Your name? Leon Art. Yeah. Congratulations. Congratulations. Tita Win. Bye-bye.
Una-una si Leon.
What's your name?
What's your name? Thank you, Leon. Next.
Hi Kuya Vin, this is Iana, and I would like to congratulate the both of you for your wedding. Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Alright, thank you. Thank you, Yana. Bakit kay Kuya Vin lang? Walang hi, Ate Zing. Char.
Kasi mas ko.
Dear Vincent and Sim, always remember what Father
Tita
said
Led.
in the homily. The symbol of love
Tita
is
Led
our
ba?
God in the cross. Let love, patience, kindness, and our God be the center of your marriage. On the road to forever and beyond. From Tita Let. I love you. Love you.
Love you, tita.
Cute!
I recognize the
The
voice.
voice. Wait, try nga natin kung naririnig pa. Wait lang. Next.
Congratulations to both of you. Welcome to the world of married couple.
Hindi. Tita Emma, ba't nakausap mo si Tita Emma?
Hula lang ako.
Congratulations to both of you. Welcome to the world of married couple.
Hindi pa si Ninang Rena ito.
Congratulations to both of you. Welcome to
Diba?
the world of married couple.
Parang si Ninang Rena eh. Okay, thank you po. Tita Emma, hindi mo kilala.
Hi, Vincent Hussein. This is your Fox Ninong Johnson.
Oh.
Congratulations and
Baka
best
asawa
wishes. God bless. Thank you for the invite.
Baka asawa niya.
Baka.
Ay, oo, kasi parang nabubusesan ko nung nanalo siya sa scratch card. Parang gano'n yung boses.
Hi, Vincent Hussein. This is your Fox Ninong Johnson.
Si Ninang.
Congratulations and best wishes. God bless. Thank you for the invite.
Thank you po. Thank you po, Ninang Johnson. Pagpa-proxy for Ninang Adore.
Hello, Kuya Vin at Zane. Congratulations.
Twinkle.
And I hope
Oh.
magkita-kita ulit tayo sa Singapore soon.
Oh.
May message pala si Gab.
Yes. Kuya Vin, kasal ka na. Hindi mo na siguro kailangan ng PS5. Congratulations. Love you.
Ulit.
Hello, Kuya
Sorry,
Vin at
binila
Zane.
niya ang VR.
Congratulations.
I need your PS5.
And I hope magkita-kita ulit tayo sa Singapore soon. May message pala si Gab.
Yes. Kuya Vin, kasal ka na. Hindi mo na siguro kailangan ng PS5. Tsaka na, congratulations. Love you.
Sorry.
Hindi mo na daw kailangan ng PS5, sabi ni Gab.
Kailangan ko kasi binila na ako ng VR.
Game. Next. Okay, to be continued. Number 7 na tayo ngayon.
Hi, hello. Hello. Congratulations.
Ay.
Wedding. Enjoy. Good luck. Bye-bye. Ayun lang po. Good luck. For adventures and TikTok to come.
Si Vicky.
Bye-bye.
Si Feel me, I do something. Not ganun, may ibang
Place.
Cute. Okay, next.
Pero may natin i-add person sunod dyan.
Hi. CJ to. So, good luck, guys. Sana maging matatag kayo. And of course, to you, Bentong, you can let me know kung inaway ka ni Zay tapos pinalayas ka. Tanggapin na lang kita sa bahay, ha? So, yun lang. Ito si Gisela.
Hi, Bento! Hi, Zay! Congratulations! More babies to come!
Thank you. Alam mo na saan ka pupunta pag pinalayas kita.
Kaya CJ.
Kanila CJ ka pupunta.
Yung pwede mo yung
Okay, Kuya Mon mo to. So, alam mo naman matagal na kami ng ate kay mo. So, congrats ulit. Ito lang ang advice ko, Vin. Kaya anong mangyari, huwag ka magpapango at huwag kang kakami.
Ay, diba eh.
Highlight mo na lang, tapos ito na.
Ito muna.
Hi, Zane! Hi, Vin! Congratulations! Dito lang kami palagi in case na may kailangan advices from mga ates at saka mga kuyas. Congratulations again! Bye-bye!
Diyan kayo.
Vin, Christian or CJ,
Uy!
like to say congratulations sa marriage niyo. And thank you kasi hindi mo din ako nakalimutan somehow. Enjoy being a couple. And congratulations. Bye-bye.
So, Sani and BP, Ate Rachel here. Anytime na kailangan nyo, nandito lang ako lagi. God bless your family, your growing family. Thank you.
Ah, cute. Mas gusto ko isa-isa kasi parang nakapag-react tayo.
Oh, sige.
Cute. Thank you tao, CJ tao. Hindi mo siya nakalimutan.
Siyempre.
Isa-isa natin para nakapag-react tayo.
Hi, Jamie and BP. Congratulations and best wishes. Love you both.
Yun.
Wait mo nga.
Parang pamilya yung boses eh.
Parang Singapore.
Ulit-ulit.
Hi, Jamie and BP. Congratulations and best wishes. Love you both.
Sino siya? Si Tin ba?
Hindi si Tim. Ulit-ulit.
Hindi rin. Iba lang.
Hi, Jamie and BP.
Kasi Jamie to
Congratulations and best wishes.
Si Ate Tal!
Ay, oo nga!
Si Ate Tal. Ulit-ulit. Ulit-ulit.
Hi,
Ayun lang yung from
Jamie
Singapore eh.
and BP. Congratulations and best wishes. Love you both.
Diba? Si Ate Tal. Teka, familiar yung boses eh. Thank you.
Hindi total.
Hi, Zaini and Vin.
Si Yayeng to.
Congratulations, and I'm so happy that I'm part of your wedding ceremony. I miss those days na naglalaro-laro lang tayo, sayo-sayo, Zain, and I'm really happy for you. And I'm hoping the best for the both of you and of course for your marriage. I love you both.
Si Yayeng yun.
Yun,
That's
that's
a
a
walk. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oo nga, nakakamiss na yung high school days. Classmate namin yun si Yayeng. Tropa namin high school.
I say, Axel here. Congratulations on your wedding. Enjoy your journey together. Advance happy birthday nga pala.
Uy, thank
Thank
you. Salamat, Ulo.
Vin and Sin, congratulations.
Ito si Tita Emma.
Kawara ba ni si kanang kuan oy si kuan si Waro.
Yan ang dakit. Okay, bye. Congratulations.
Di Tita Emma, tsaka si Kuya Mara.
Si Mara, kulit talaga eh.
Kaya nga eh. Ulit.
Bain and Sin, congratulations. Tawa ra ba ni si kanang kuan oy si kuan si Waro. Bigyan ng jacket.
Bigyan ng jacket. Bigyan ng jacket. Nakaloka talaga si Kuya Mara eh.
Maro na si
Kaya
Kasi, congrats sa inyong newly reading karong adlaw. Thank you kayo nga gi-invite mi nimo. Bisan layo to sa Mindanao may pero amo yung yani ko tungod po sa inyo. Thank you be healthy and congratulations.
si Ninong titing niya.
Kaya tayo.
Oo. Ulit.
Good afternoon, Susie. Congrats sa inyong newly reading karong adlaw. Thank you kayo nga gi-invite mi nimo. Bisan layo to sa Mindanao may pero amo yung yani ko tungod po sa inyo. Thank you and be healthy and congratulations.
Tita ba?
Hindi nga. Kala ko
Sabi niya, parang thank you daw sa pag-invite. Kasi parang congratulations daw sa wedding natin ngayong araw na to. As thank you daw sa pag-invite, kahit doon na malayo daw sila, from Mindanao pa daw sila, punta daw natin sila sa Manila. Parang maka-attend sa wedding natin. So yun, be healthy daw and congratulations. Thank you!
Hello po. Ako to kaya si Raf. And congrats sa inyo. Ni Ate Suzanne. Happy ako sa inyo. Hindi sana, pero I'm sure na magiging strong yung marriage nyo. Yun lang po. Happy marriage.
Ay, ito si Raf. Raf. Hi, Raf. Gusto ka naman, Raf? Thank you, Raf, sa message. Siyempre, magiging strong talaga kami. Gusto ko, Raf? Si Raf. Raf ka pa dyan, Divina. Si Rafael.
si ano?
Bakit nandiyan yung jowa mo, ah? Si Raf ka pala, ah. Ikaw, ah. Next.
Hi! Zane and Vin, congrats sa inyo. Sana tumagal yung love life nyo. Bumuo kayo ng happy family. Thank you so much for choosing me to be a part of this Memorial Day. I hope good health, financial stability, and career growth for both of you. Thank you. Love you both.
Sige. Ikaw lang.
Si Colin.
Parang si Colin. Tsaka parang wala akong masyadong ganong boses. Hindi, I mean ng ganong boses. Parang wala masyadong recollection.
Sana tumagal yung love life nyo. Bumuo kayo ng happy family. Thank you so much for choosing me to be a part of this Memorial Day. I hope good health, financial stability, and career growth for both of you. Thank you. Love you both.
Si Colin. Mamaya balikan natin.
Hi guys, congratulations! Unang awayin si BP. Grabe, pakabait ka naman. Bait-bait niya eh.
Sili.
Oo, ka. Lagi mo ko naaway.
Hi guys, congratulations! Unang awayin si BP. Grabe, pakabait ka naman. Bait-bait niya eh.
Oy, mabait ako ah. Mabait ako, ilinkit na.
Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Naway ingatan at samahan kayo ng Diyos at sana ay magkaroon kayo ng maraming anak. Masayang pagsasama. Yun lang.
Sige, Michael yan.
Oo. Thank you kaya.
Thank you po.
And congratulations for your wedding. I hope you be a good wife. Also, Vincent, I know you are a good boy. God help you, okay?
Si Papa yun, di ba? Si Papa yun.
And congratulations for your wedding. I hope you be a good wife. Also, Vincent, I know you are a good boy. God help you, okay?
Si Papa yun. Si Papa yun, no? Iisip ko pa yung ulo.
Boss siya ba lang siya?
Wow, English. Thank you po.
Ano ba?
Thank you. Be a good boy daw.
I'm a good boy.
Hello. Do you hear me?
Ito, sir?
Sen, congratulations, Sen.
Ulit.
Hello. Do you hear me?
Do you hear me?
Sen, congratulations, Sen.
Si Brian yata ito.
Okay na? Ay, okay na. Okay daw. Ganun. Ganun, Sen, congrats, Sen. Si Elton nahiya sa Elton. So, okay na yun.
Si Brian.
Cute. Do you hear me? Yes, I hear you.
Congrats, pre. Kasama ko si Brian ngayon.
Si Elton.
Did you well play? Thank you, Elton. GG, well played.
Hi, Zane and Vin. Cheers to the newlyweds. Yay! We are grateful to be part of your very special day. Best wishes and congratulations. Love, Bella, and Aaron.
Ay! Sila pala yun. Iisip pa. Sino to? Ulit. Benet pala yun. Ay! Ulit.
Hi, Zane and Vin. Cheers to the newlyweds. Yay! We are grateful to be part of your very special day. Best wishes and congratulations. Love, Bella, and Aaron.
Yay! Cute. Thank you, Beth. Si Benet, ano yan? High school, college dorm mate ko. Isa sa mga low-key friend. Love you. Di ba, tipasin mo pag may birthday, lagi siyang nandiyan dyan. Pero kahit birthday ng pumangkin, ang lagi siyang nagdadala ng cake, namibigay siya ng muffin. Di ba, kahit hindi kami lagi nag-cake. Love you.
Hey, Vincent. Congratulations. I love you both. Mwah.
Mama. Thank you po. We love you. Mama.
Congratulations, Zane and VP.
Parang si Ate Crystal na naman.
Love, Tita Bea.
Si Ate Bel. Bakit Tita Bel? Bakit Tita Bel?
Congratulations, Zane and VP. Love, Tita Bea.
Bakit Tita Bel? Kala ko si Ate Crystal eh.
Ba't Tita Bel?
Hi, Zane. Hi, Vincent. Congratulations. I love you both. Love, Ate Tin. Bye-bye.
Hindi Tita Tin.
Hindi Tita Tin. Ate Tin.
Congratulations in the wedding.
Wait. Ay, si Amber to, si Amber.
I just wanted to say congratulations in the wedding. And when you kissed, I threw it away because, it's disgusting. But congratulations. And thank you for the gift that I got. Bye.
Ano daw?
Ulit.
I just want to say
Wanted to say congratulations in the wedding. And when you kissed, I threw it away because, it's disgusting. But congratulations. And thank you for the gift that I got. Bye.
it's disgusting.
I just wanted to say congratulations in the wedding. And when you kissed, I threw it away because, it's disgusting. But congratulations. And thank you for the gift that I got. Bye!
It's disgusting! Kawa. Cute no? Na-imagine ko siya nagsalita. I just wanna say, ganon. Na-imagine ko.
Congrats, guys. I hope na masaya kayo today and I'm so happy for you. Baby na kaya. Bye, Harvick. Teka, mag-group pa tayo eh. Paano ito ibaba?
Si Rick pala. Pagkapos sila ni Ate Kat.
Congrats, guys. I hope na masaya kayo today and I'm so happy for you. Baby na kaya. Bye, Harvick. Teka, mag-group pa tayo eh. Paano ito ibaba?
Sige, Clara. Ikaw na sunod Thank you, Vic. So, si Clara na yung na-expect kong kasunod. Group daw eh.
Congratulations, Vin, and then I love you. Love you, Vin.
Love you, Mama Chup Chup. Wish you all the best. Congrats. See kita later. Congrats.
Yes! Congrats, Vin. Yun lang. Wala naman kami sasabihin maganda. Bye.
Alam mo. Lolo ka talaga.
Heyo! Congratulations!
AJ. Wait.
Heyo! Congratulations, Baby and Bean. I know na alam nyo how happy I am for the both of you. I'm so happy that you finally tied the knot. And my date idea would be, why don't you try glamping? Hindi ko sure kung na-try nyo na yun pero I think it would be a good idea for both of you. Yung sa car lang, ganyan, tapos dala nyo lahat ng pang-camp. Magluluto o ganyan. Pero syempre, meron din on the side na parang sa hotel, ganyan. Kasi glamping niya, ganyan. Okay, ayun lang. Salamat. Congratulations ulit. Love to both of you. AJ here. Bye-bye.
Cute. Gusto naman tayo yung glamping no? Daming glamping. Kaso kasi, ang problema ko sa glamping kasi lagi ako nagto-toilet ng morning. Pag yung glamping, walang CR. So, lalabas pa ako. Lalabas pa ako kaya parang hindi namin ma-push yung glamping. But we'll try. Thanks for the, wow, talagang siya pinabigay sa atin ng date idea, ha? Next.
Congratulations from PPPPR girls.
Cute. Thank you. Si Teacher Tin, saka si, Teacher Aiza. Thank you. Yung PPPR girls is pagod, puyat, pero pretty pa rin.
Wow!
Oo, sino nag-work kami, diba, sa Cavite. Yun yung namin, PPPR girls. Pagod, puyat, pero pretty pa rin. So, yun. May tutunan kang bago. Thank you. I mean, hindi ka mag-selfie. Ang bilis kasi ng mga kaganapan ng gabi. Pero, yun. Thank you for coming.
Hello, Saini, MVP. Congratulations. Today is the beginning of your new chapter in life. Sana, enjoy every moment each other. Magtulungan kayo ngayon. Ayun lang. Bye!
Congratulations! Yun lang. Bye.
Hindi yun. Sino yun? Ulit. Thank you muna, Kia Murphy. Thank you, Kia Murphy. Ulit to. Sino to, Sige, wala natin.
Congratulations! Yun lang. Bye.
Sini?
Hindi. Parang kaboses ko nga eh. Ako ata to! Kasi nag-video tayo, di ba? Ay, nag-voice message tayo. Wow.
Congratulations! Yun lang. Bye.
Oo, tawa ko yan eh. Tawa ko yan eh.
talaga.
Oo, nag-alam ko ng voice message ako.
Congrats, guys. I hope na
Ay,
masaya kayo
hindi.
today and I'm so happy for you.
25 years.
Sana baby na kaya.
Baby ka.
Bye, congratulations! Yun lang. Bye.
Ako yan. Ikaw itong sunod.
Hi to the young couple!
Congratulations!
Diba?
Enjoy married life!
Tayo pala yan.
Oo, tayo yun.
Ay, marinig yung message ko.
Hello, si Kuya Rix to.
Nandito.
Have fun, enjoy the married life. Welcome to the club, Vince. Yan lang.
Sino si Kuya Rix? Sino si Kuya Rix?
Hello, si Kuya Rix to. Have fun, enjoy the married life. Welcome to the club, Vince. Yan lang.
Sino si Kuya Rix? Sino si Kuya Rix?
Hindi natin
Ikaw yung ano, lagot ka.
Hello, si Kuya Rix to. Have fun, enjoy the married life. Welcome to the club, Vince. Yan lang.
Asawa.
Kuya Rico ba yun? Kasi akala ko ikaw lang yung sinasabihan niya eh.
Hello, si Kuya Rix to.
Oo nga, si Kuya Rico.
Have fun, enjoy the married life.
boses
Welcome to the club, Vince. Yan lang.
Oo nga, si Kuya Rico. Sorry, Kuya. Uy! Pagsabog. Thank you, Kuya Rico. Ikaw pala yan. Ikaw naman eh. Baka si Ate Kat sunod.
Hi, Ben and Zane. This is Ate Kat. I'm one of the happiest today to see you tie the knot. I've seen how much you've grown together. And for an advice that I could give you is just to compromise always in all things. I know how much you love each other. It would be easy for you to just compromise and give it to whatever each other needs. We love you. Tawag lang kayo sa amin ni Kuya Rico. Bye-bye. Love you.
Kuya Rix. Tawag lang tayo Kuya Rix. Sorry na Kuya Rix. Kasi naman eh. Sipa namin eh. Thank you.
Thank you,
No. After a year mo na mapakinggan.
Ay, ayun na. So, wag muna ba natin pakinggan?
Huwag dyan.
Wag muna yun kasi after a year pa natin papakinggan yun. Baka yung 40 sa akin. So, skip muna natin.
Hi, Zane and Vin. This is Ems. Thank you for inviting us. Wait, naiyak ako. Shit. Congratulations to the both of you. Alam ko kayo.
Parang iiyak na siya.
Parang speechless ako. Anyway, ayun, sobrang happy ako sa inyong dalawa. Sobrang proud ako sa inyong dalawa. And actually, while you're walking down the aisle, hindi ko ma-imagine na within that 8 years, makikita kita naglalakad sa aisle na getting married for ano daw, ikakasal sa taong love mo. Ayun lang, thank you and see you sa susunod na mukha taunting natin. Bye! Love you, both of you.
Cute. Naiyak talaga siya. Naiyak talaga siya. Love you. See you on our Mukata date. Alam mo yan. Lagi tayo magbumukata. Mahal ka namin.
Hi, Bunso! Congratulations for your wedding. Ano bang wish ko sa'yo? Sana maging happy kayo. Kung may away man, lagi niyong pag-usapan. So, pag may mga problema kayo, lagi niyo lang din yung pag-usapan. Huwag niyong ikikip. Yun yung advice ko sa inyo. I love
yung mga messages niyo. Thank you for the warm messages. Tsaka, ang kukulit ng iba. But we love you all. Salamat sa pagpunta sa wedding namin. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Siyempre, yung mga taong invite namin talaga yun yung mga malalapit sa puso namin. So, thank you po. This is Zane and Vane. Ayan yung ano natin doon. Hi! Welcome to Zane and Vane's wedding. Diba? Ganon. Ano yun? Thank you for celebrating. Ganon.
May note na
Hope you stay right. Basta ganon. Okay. So, thank you.